All right. So now this mass is also m. This is m. This is m. All masses are same, and this radius is 2r. I have taken this radius as r and this also as r. So then we have said when this collides here, after collision, this disk comes to rest. So this v is equal to 0. And as a result, these two move symmetrically like this with velocity, let's say v and v. So we can take this angle as theta. This angle is also equal to theta. If I consider that this disk was initially moving with velocity v naught, so from conservation of linear momentum, yeah, the voice is the problem. Conservation of linear momentum, we can write m into v naught plus 0 is equal to, see, this is mv cos theta, this is also mv cos theta. So we get 2mv cos theta. So v is equal to, we get v naught by 2 cos theta. This is equation number 1. All right. So this is one equation we got. Another equation we will get from the equation of E. E is equal to, we can write V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. But remember, this V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2, we can apply in which direction? That is more important. This is strictly along line of impact. We cannot have this in any other direction. We have to apply this equation only along line of impact. है ना? What is the line of impact? Line of impact is the common normal. This is common normal. This is common. So now if I apply V2, this is V. V1 comes to rest divided by U1. Horizontal direction U1 is V0, but you have to take in this direction only along Cn. So this is theta again. So this will become V0 cos theta. So we write V0 cos theta minus 0. So we get V by V0 cos theta. Already V by V0 we got 1 by 2 cos theta. If you substitute, then we'll get 1 by 2 cos square theta. So E value, E is equal to 1 by 2 cos square theta. Right? Now if you look at this triangle, it's a very interesting problem. If you look at this triangle, this side is 3r, this side is r. So from geometry, this will become 2 root 2r. So cos theta is becoming 2 root 2r by 3r, which is 2 root 2 by 3. If you substitute in this equation, E is equal to, you get 9 by 16. It is a hell of a question. And this, you cannot expect this in exam, but these questions have to be solved to get the concept extremely clear. Note it down. Shirisha, only first slide. We are on to the first slide only. Yes, Naveen, first slide. Understood, everyone? Clear to all of you? Yes, Purushottam, I'm struggling. I'm really trying very hard. But unfortunately, I got a very severe lung infection. So I think it will take some time. So you look at this triangle. This is the triangle. This is 2r, this is r, so it makes it 3r. This is the radius r. So what about this? Apply Pythagorean triplet, you will get that is 2 root 2r. Right? Clear now? You got it? This is hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular. So root under of perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. From there you will get the base as 2 root 2r. And then cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Right? Okay. Chalo, then let us study the next thing. I cannot survive long today. So just complete the topic, है ना? हाँ. So next thing is ball bouncing off the floor. Okay. Yeah. Oops. Thank you, Likita. So ball bouncing off the floor. Ball bouncing off the floor is so let us assume that this mass m is getting dropped from a height of h naught. This is h naught. Let's assume that. Okay. And now, by the time it is coming to hit this surface, it has velocity v. Relation between h naught and v naught is, we know h naught is equal to v naught square by 2g. And not only that, time required to come down t naught is equal to how much? V naught by g. Okay, na? Very simple thing. Kinematical relation. Now, when it collides with this, suppose here first collision happens. So now it is rebounding. It is rebounding with velocity VR1. Look at the notation. R refers rebounding, 1 refers first collision. ठीक है? R refers rebounding and 1 refers first collision. ठीक है? So if I apply the E value here, E is equal to V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. If you think about the floor, U2 is equal to 0, V2 is also equal to 0. The floor is not moving. So this becomes minus of V1 by U1. Now let us substitute the value. Okay. So E is equal to minus of VR1 divided by U1 is how much? U1 is V0 but minus V0 since it is down. So minus minus plus. So we can write VR1 is equal to E into V0. That is a very important relation. So once we get VR1 is equal to E into V0, HR1. HR1 is maximum height of rebounding after first collision. That is equal to, what can I write? VR1 square by 2G. VR1 square means E square V0 square by 2G. So HR1 we are getting E square V0 square by 2G means H0. Second important relation we get. It's a very simple thing. These are very easy things. You have to just study systematically, If one thread is properly opened, you will keep on getting the equations one after the other. Understood? Yeah. So now let's calculate TR1. TR1 is VR1 by G. VR1 is EV0 by G. EV0 by G means E into T0. This is my third equation. So these are all respective values you need regarding first collision. Clear, everyone? And you follow this strategy of, or this line of calculation, you will never forget. Is this clear to all of you? Respond quickly. Good. Okay. So next you go for the second collision. So if I move on for the second collision, so there, how will I write VR2? R means rebounding, 2 refers second collision. So VR2 is equal to, what can I write? E into VR1. For the second collision, VR1 with which it has taken off from the surface. While second collision, it will attain the same velocity. So just before hitting the ground, it will have VR1. After hitting the ground for second time, velocity is VR2. But we already know VR1 is equal to E into V0. So eventually, VR2, you get it E square into V0. Here it is the first equation. Just goes in the rhythm. Think about HR2. HR2 is equal to VR2 whole square by 2G. So VR2 means what? VR2 means E square V0. Total square divided by 2G. So it becomes E to the power 4 into V0 square by 2G. So how much HR2 we will get? HR2 we will get E to the power 4 into H0. देखो ये आ गया second equation. Very easy actually. And then TR2 is equal to VR2 by G. VR2 is E square into V0 by G, which means PR2 is equal to E square into T0. So that's the line of thinking. Up for NEET exam, second collision tak hi enough. You don't have to go beyond second collision. Please note down, everyone. Okay, ठीक है. Now from here, suppose for a number of collision, total distance covered total distance covered, what you can write, total distance covered, we can write as h naught plus hr1 going up, hr1 coming down. So total is 2hr1. Similarly, 2hr2, and it goes on. If you substitute the values h naught plus 2, this is h square, e square h naught plus 2, this is e to the power 4 h naught, and it goes on. All right. From there, sorry, extremely sorry. So if you take h naught common, 1 plus 2 e square plus 2 e to the power 4, and it goes on like this. So after doing this series, the result you will get is h naught into 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square. Remember this value. This is not very important for numericals, but yes, direct MCQ or subjective MCQ can come. Total distance covered will be equal to h naught into 1 plus e square by 1 minus e square. Is that clear to all of you? Right. Okay, fine. At the same time, we'll calculate total time taken. Total time taken is how much? Total time taken is equal to T naught plus 2TR1 plus 2TR2, and it goes on. So T naught plus 2ET naught plus 2E square T naught goes on. If you take T naught common, 1 plus 2E plus 2E square, and it goes like this. So this results in T naught into 1 plus E by 1 minus E. So this is regarding total time. So these two values are very important. You have to remember these two values. Please note. Okay. So we'll solve one question now and then we'll wrap up. Let's say a ball is falling from a surface of 10 meter and then rebounds to a height of 1.8 meter. It falls from a surface of 10 meter, rebounds to a height of 1.8 meter. So what can you tell about this? Dekho, first of all, HR1 is equal to E square into H naught. Direct formula is there. So HR1 is how much? 1.8. E square, this is 10. So E square becomes 1.8 by 10. All right. And this becomes 18 by 100, so that is 9 by 50. So that is one of the way, but I'll come. What is the way to correlate that you will definitely get to know now this is happening? अब देखो यहाँ पे कि VR1 is coming how much? Root under of 2g into 1.8, that is coming as 6 meter per second. Correct? Yeah. And V0 is equal to root under of 2g into 10, that will come as 10 root 2 meter per second. All right? Yeah. So if I take this value, 10 into root 2 is 1.4 meter per second, so nearly equal to 14 meter per second. Correct? So if they ask given what is the fractional change in velocity, you can also calculate that. Fractional change is delta V by V0. So that becomes 14 minus 6 divided by 14. So this will become 8 by 14. So that is 4 by 7. So we can find out the value of E. I think E is coming to be how much? 3 by 5 root 2. That is the value of E here. We can find out the fractional change in velocity. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यार. Got it? Yes. You can write this also. Root 2 equal to 1.4 you can put. So this will come 3 by 7 then. Approximately. ठीक है? Yes. Right? Chalo. So let us solve one more question. Some of the question I'm giving that a note like this, that a ball is coming to hit the ground and it is given that it loses 40% of its energy. It loses 40% of its energy during collision. Okay? They are asking find E. And let's say it is falling from a height of 10 meter. Try to solve. Let's see who can do it. Very easy, very simple, extremely easy. Waiting for the answer. Quickly do it. How will you do it? See, देखो. Let us imagine it is hitting the surface with velocity V0, going back with VR1. Remant is saying, okay, Manas, yeah. So it loses 40%. It loses 40% means we can write kinetic energy of rebounding is equal to 60% of K0. 60% of K0 means 60% is 3 by 5 into K0. Okay, good. So KR1 is how much? Half M VR1 square is equal to 3 by 5 into half m v naught square. Half m cancelled. So VR1 square is equal to 3 by 5 of v naught square. That is equal to how much? E square into v naught. So just by comparison, E square will come 3 by 5. So E is equal to root under of 3 by 5. Bas hai re. Enough. That's it. Check the answer. This will be the answer. You know? All right. Clear, everyone? Clear, all of you? Perfect clarity is there. Okay. Yes. Fine. So just one last question. This ball is coming down from a height of 5 meters, and in each collision it loses 20% of its energy. Okay, calculate max height of rebounding after second collision. Calculate max height of rebounding after second collision. Please do it. Please do it, everyone. Each collision means, suppose there will be multiple collision, no issue. In first collision it will do 20%, then next 20%. Okay, like that. Okay, Raymond already got the answer. He said 125 by 16. Let's wait. Let's see. When I solve it like this, you do like this. You take the energy to be K naught initially. After first collision, it loses 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. So remaining is how much? 4 K naught by 5. Then again it loses 20%. So how much remains? 4 by 5 of 4 K naught by 5. So how much remaining here? 16 K naught by 25. So KR2 is equal to 16 by 25 of K naught. Half MVR2 square. 16 by 25 into half MV naught square. Half M cancelled. From here, VR2 square by 2G is equal to 16 by 25 V naught square by 2G. Got it? So now left hand side, this is HR2 is equal to 16 by 25 into H naught. So that is equal to 16 by 25 into h naught is 5. So yes, 80 by 25 meter or 16 by 5 meter is the correct answer. Vedasri, very good. Ganesh, good. How many got 16 by 5? Okay, Seeker. मीटर पर सेकंड कैसे होगा बे? मीटर ओनली, है ना? Okay, that's all. So that is the end of our syllabus. Fine, Rupa. Good. Right? Fine, fine, Arshad. Good. That's it. Prepare for the exam. His exam is there. Wish you all the very best. By the way, uh, wish you a very happy Diwali in advance. So I hope all your life may fill with colors. है Enjoy life. Keep cruising and let good thing happens in life. है Good. Yeah, it's a QR code. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next week. Thank you. I hope I'll be fine next week. I somehow managed. I'm not in a situation to take class at all. Believe me, I'm terribly down. But I hope that I somehow could complete the chapter so that your preparation doesn't stay empty. Right? Chalo. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. 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 Thank you so much.